up at the house, right? And I come and I pass and I hear the girl that disrespect me place. Even she admitted to her after me and her start cuss now, whatever she say, what she say. So, my pastor me tell the girl for go to call her mother, right? I mean, you did it too, and you watch out the whole thing. I don't feel like you defend me or nothing at all. You even did look the girl same way. You ever did look the girl same way. I tell the girl right, but that's not my problem. I your woman problem, that. Right? Not talk about no. Don't talk about no. Don't say no, because true. Alright, me drive come down, I will go. Like literally. Right? Me, you can't hear me?
Yeah.
Alright. So me and you drive come down. We're good, right? We in a car, we're good. We drive go down. So when all of this happen and I hit a body, why you never say something to me?
Because you for come and tell me, Sir Reka, you know what you do. Me enough for come back after you done disrespect me and come and
me
tell me.
That. So after even we stop out I carry and say book later, whatever.
Me not say Annie, you this me. You for come out and say boy Deno. Me see you move, cause you know
me not this. You sit down with the woman did they style me. You sit down with the girl did they style me.
No, me not know where woman at all about.
Me not this.
That's why me in the kitchen and laugh, you know. Cause when I go upstairs, me cause say Deno. I pay that no mind, cause I didn't know where you know, bro. She don't know, so you don't know what go on. You see me I say, girl I chat things on a code. And me I say, yo, me daddy me I talk. Remember say, she did up on the live the night before with Jaden and Jabba send me on the live with Ziggy, you know. I mean I talk to Ziggy, so me think say, yeah, everybody in the can over there so good. Me no know say you're not things. Me no know say she look at hyper for you. Me no know say she look at a boss. You see me I say, are you gear a boss now? Are you make she hype up and a bag of things? And I get a bag of views and a bag of people over her page. Because she get what she want. And that's why she come and say what she say. And after this, me and them telling me she start flare up. And that's why I mute her and take her off of the live. You see me and say, because all along, if I could have in my chat, and I'm a comment, people come and say, yo, bad things about the Hans family. And say bad things about you, me I disrespect them. My life know that. Everybody over here for my life know say yo. Anybody come for my life and comment nothing bad about the family dog. Moderator, get them. That's some work, bro. So you should have know better dog and know say yo, LD na your G. LD na mute life. Bro, Ray. Tell me half a life. And me can say alright, and them. Me da feel even more better. Probably me da happy and go back live. And them thing when me did it. You see me I say?
So, yeah, it's all about Annie. Yeah, man, it's all about Annie. So, I'm not going to apologize to you. I tell you the truth. I'm not going to apologize to you. I'm not going to say this. I'm not really give a fuck about the chat because everybody done depend me already. You see me? But cancel your mama, man. Right? I'm not going to apologize to you. Because at the end of the day, say if you was a real friend to me, you would have come out yes at this moment. You see me? With all of them fuck here. You get me? If you was a real motherfucking friend, may I tell you the truth, you never did have to come out here with all the blood clot this. You see me? So here one. I'm done. I not apologize. Right, that's all. I don't care. You hit me if you want. That's okay. A real friend could have come and just call me. Say, you're my real G. You go tell me, say, me I go through all of this right now. But I out here say you come with all of this. I don't care when none of you want to say. Tell you. Now I go be follow back of people and do what people say to do. You understand what I say? Right? I care better 10 people like me. More than 100 pretending. A real G where you say you're my friend. You understand what I say? You could have taken up your phone and called me and said something to me, right? And reason with me like a real G, right? Because you say me and your friend like that, me and your bestie. You understand me? So you are going to tell me now, say you come out here with all of this now because you're artist, right? And everybody get a piece of the views. Oh God, no for people just now want to speak the truth. But people want to come and just say, Annie this, Annie wrong, Annie go apologize, Annie go suck your mother dirty, Annie cancel Annie, because Annie I get a bag of views, a bag of people. Oh my God. But don't you ever take a time out to even look on a different way? Have you ever just take a real time out and look on this? Instead they just jump on me. I swear to you upon my life, I'm not apologize. I swear to you, I won't. Cause you see, if me and you a friend like that, you would just take up a phone and reason with me. Even when time we drop off and we come out of the car, and you know, everybody I go up me and him there at the car side and we did that, we a talk and we a laugh. Yesterday, him call me, and me and him a talk again and a laugh. So why now? Why are you doing this? Nobody no want to look on it that way. You get what me I say? You can't say me lie all you want. Remember that you all want to run with me, I lied, me, I wicked, me, I this, me, I that. You get what me I say? Right? Alright. Thank you. Me know what the mere fuck, and me don't say it already. Just let me be alone. Alright? Me just want to be alone. That's okay. If you say me too liar so I not add him, I am have to add me, I not add him. I not add him, I am have to add me. I not add him. I'm too wicked. Not like that. Zoe. Wenji. Wenji. Tell we call it say. We can't send it. Maybe go send it something. Yeah, I send it something by 12 o'clock. Yeah.
I am.
Make sure give me back.
Wait, what have some question?
From who?
Mommy, so we did this have a conversation. I would say who own up here. And she said she.
No, the old property.
They must say who own up here, right? They must say who own up here. We Alex Sarinji, I go say, when you say, Ima Alex, daddy and mommy. And I like that because only person who own up here are you. I don't know about daddy, I don't know about them two days.
Go on.
No, tell me true. Tell me true, mommy. Tell me true. Then you own up here. And why you come up here? Mommy, you own up here over.
Why you really black in that house? No, they're not true.
Mommy,
don't know, but I'm alive.
Alright, talk to me. Who own up here?
Me.
Exactly. And mommy, who own up here? I know that you're fast. Mommy, who own here?
And then me say be up on the line, so we then two be clear go.
Because she want to go foreigner. No, but she want to bring her daddy in the water. Daddy want to know my mother own up here from birth. Mommy, before you lick up.
Oh no, look, live. Go on.
Before you lick up, daddy pee.
Go on. Go on. Go on, allow me. Be rotted. Wanna give me some water? What me do now?
Pass up me give you water. Pass it back.
Right.
Me I did it loud. Sorry.
Me didn't say who own up here. What am I? Yo, me I go run away. Me I run away now. Me I run away for a little while. I swear me I run away. Me I run away. I don't care. Me run away. Run away. I'm running away. I'm running.